eggs 3, milk 250 ml, sugar 6 teaspoon, milk powder 4 teaspoon, Desi ghee 5 teaspoon, Pista 5, Almonds 5, Cashewnuts 8, Raisins 15, orange red food color few drops diluted, vanilla essence 2-3 drops. For making egg halwa, we have taken 3 eggs and this is 250 ml of milk. You can adjust the sugar according to your need. I have taken 6 teaspoons and 4 teaspoons of Desi ghee. Now we have to blend it. This we have blended. Now we will going to pour it into a wok and cook it. Keep the flame on medium. This is very tasty halwa and does not take much time. You have to stir it continuously so that it does not stick at the bottom. Now start putting your dry fruits. These are cashew nuts, some almonds, pistachios, raisins, and I am adding little bit of orange food color, little bit. Now within 2 minutes it has thickened. You have to continuously stir it, otherwise it will become like a bhurji. And this is milk powder, 4 teaspoons of milk powder, and now we have to cook it till it leaves ghee and it becomes little thick. See, within 5 minutes it is ready. We have not put too much of ghee. If you require, you can. We have prepared it in a non-stick pan. You can still see the ghee, and it's time to add vanilla essence. Very few drops, 1 or 2, and this halwa is ready. So friends, here's egg halwa, especially for the people who love egg and sweet tooth, and you can prepare it in a hurry also, and it turns very good. And whenever I have guests, quick guests, I prepare this halwa and everyone loves it. So please do give me a comment whether you have prepared and how was the outcome. Have a nice time. Have a nice cooking day. Bye.